Hey Jason, what's going on, man? Good evening to you as well. Alright, I don't have any tags to throw out. We only had a couple people join the group, so we'll get started on this pretty quickly. I assume most of the buy-ins are going to be watching this on YouTube, so I'll have to delay too long here before we get started. Hey, here you, Adam. You in this, Adam? I got my list up over here. You're not even in this. This is just the eBay break, dude. The big one's not till Saturday. Plates and patches. Probably can't hear me. Be right back. It's just the eBay break, Adam. Panini Football 2018. All right, you guys ready? I know you're ready. I think we got. Let me check, make sure nobody else is trying to join the group. All righty, no additional requests, so we're gonna get cranking. And as always, if I have it, and if enough teams sell, I do include a freebie, so I'm going to throw in another extravaganza, Gold Rush extravaganza 20 autograph pack. So this will be thrown in for free. Looks like the 49ers on top there, guaranteed to get a hit. So these are usually lower end autographs, but I like to throw them in for free whenever I at least break even on the eBay breaks. This one looks like it just about broke even, so freebie for you guys. All cards will ship. Oh, that's a really fat pack. Well, that's just because these packs are fat. I forgot you get 20 something cards in a pack, so not that fat. Alrighty, we'll run through these. As always, if you skunk in any of these breaks, especially eBay breaks, I will make sure you get at least a pack of cards in the mail. Nobody goes home empty-handed. I'm just setting my autofocus here because the auto doesn't work well, so I set a manual focus to right about there. Alrighty. We'll run through the base cards. These will ship. I just don't call out every name because it'll take forever to just call out every player's name here. All right, we got Derwin James, 8 out of 20 on the Chargers. Nice short print there. Nice short print to start it. Oh, look at this. Going to the Lions, Marvin Jones Jr., 1/1. Right off the bat. Don't even mess around. We get a 1/1 in the first pack. What's that, the second non-base card down? Detroit. Going to Eric, if I'm pronouncing his name right. Marvin Jones Jr., 1/1. Let me grab a one touch. Every 1/1 is worth a one touch. Starting off hot. There you go. 1/1. Marvin Jones Jr. for the Lions. Not too shabby to begin it. See, sometimes these low-end breaks do it, man. Sometimes they do it. We got Pillars of Excellence insert going to the Falcons. And then we got Anthony Miller going to the Bears. Going to Keel. 78 out of 99. $79 out of 99. Sorry, I think I said 78 there. I've actually pulled quite a few 1/1s from this product. And this is all I have of this, by the way. This Panini football, this is the last I have of it. I had a couple cases. Got through 7 breaks. Tony Gonzalez insert. Pick these up. We got Antonio Brown insert for the Steelers. And we got these rookie cards here. Ronald Jones going to the Bucks. Dylan Cantrell going to the Chargers. Dallas Goedert going to my team, the Eagles. And Jamon Moore going to the Packers. My team is in my favorite team. I don't have the Eagles in this break. That is Daniel. All right, let's see what's next. Pulled the 1/1 already. And we get 2. I've done it. I pulled 2 1/1s in this product before in a 5-box break. No, it was a 10-box break. I did 10 boxes of this, and I had 2 1/1s in those 10 boxes. So it's always possible. All right, base. We got Agbania Akrawanoyo, 28 out of 50. Sorry, these cards are nice and reflective. It's pretty there. That one goes to the Rams. Never know what you're going to get. Breaking cards is like a box of chocolates. 28 out of 50. Then we got Jesse James going to the Steelers. 39 out of 50. Insert Champions of Tomorrow, Alvin Kamara. We got Marcus Peters going to the Rams. 15 out of 99. That does go to the Rams. I know he's not wearing a Rams uniform, but you can see there. Traded to Rams on 2/26/18. 15 out of 99. Rams logo. That one goes to Ginger or Jason. I think Jason, you got into this, right? Ginger has the eBay account. Ted Ginn Jr. Lightspeed insert. Von Miller All-Pro. Rookies, Ronnie Harrison for the Jags. Riley Ferguson, Bucks. Deshaun Hamilton for the Broncos. Leighton Vander Esch going to the Cowboys with the rookie cards. Next up, Vanderest is a beast. Didn't hear a whole lot about him this year. Last year he was amazing. Congrats on that hit. A little something for you. Get through these base cards. And then we got Patrick Chung going to the Patriots. That is 2 out of 50. Yeah, sometimes I know people's names don't always match their eBay account, and I just copy and paste the name list right off of eBay here. Sometimes it's really funky. People don't use their real names and stuff. 30 out of 50, Austin Prohl, going to the Bills. We got Lightspeed. 16 out of 20. We got a third one. Look at that. Wow, this next hit is a monster. 16 out of 20, Odell Beckham going to the Giants. Well, never fails. Being an Eagles fan, I have to pull the Eagles. Zach Ertz going to Daniel. 6 out of 20. Very nice hit. Very, very nice hit. I'm jealous of that. Got the Eagles for the cheap end too. Very nice hit. 6 out of 20. Ertz. Best tight end in the league. Congrats, Daniel. That's a nice hit, man. Nice one. I'm jealous of that. Very nice vet hit. Damn. This case is already beastly. We're only 3 boxes into the 5. Aaron Rodgers, Pillars of Excellence. Got a Fournette, Lightspeed. Rookies, Chase Edmonds for the Cardinals. Simi Cobbs for the Redskins. Kerryon Johnson going to the Lions, and Jerome Baker for the Dolphins. And then a Kid Reporter right into the garbage. Can't even use those anymore. Kid Reporters are done until next year. You had the drawing. Hey, Jeff. Pulling the fire tonight. Pulled the fire in that limited break, too. The thing was nasty. Alright, get to these base cards. What are they all going to be in order? Wow, that's rare. We got Cliff Averill going to the Seahawks, 4 out of 50. And I got to grab some top loaders real quick. I got them right here. I forgot how many top loaders I go through with this. There's so many numbered cards in it. Gold Parallel, Isaiah Oliver going to the Falcons. That is 5 out of 20. I had 3 numbered cards in the last one. I don't know. I can't tell if the next one's numbered or not. Usually you get 2 parallels in one of these. Gold Parallel for the Falcons. Is this numbered? It is. Look at that. We get a third one again. 32 out of 50. T.Y. Hilton going to the Colts. Lots of parallels. That's what's nice about this product. If you like to chase rainbows, get all the numbered cards for your PC right here. 32 out of 50. For Indy. And then we got Bo Scarborough going to the Cowboys. 92 out of 99. I think there were high expectations for this guy that didn't work out. Goes to the team on the card. I don't think he's with the Cowboys anymore, but that will still go to the Cowboys. 92 out of 99. Antonio Brown, All-Pro. Steelers. Stephon Diggs going to the Vikings, insert. Kyle Lauletta going to the Giants. Rookie. Kiki going to the Texans. Got Sony Michel for the Patriots. Austin Prohl, Bills. Final box and then the bonus. I like these low-end breaks. They're fun. You have a decent shot at some stuff. Get a bunch of cards for your team. Well, not a bunch, but at least a few. I think they're nice. You can get into them relatively cheap and have a decent shot at something. All right, we got Brandon Cooks, 33 out of 50. Going to the Rams. We got a Rashad Penny rookie parallel, 28 out of 50 for the Seahawks. Antonio Brown highlight reel, 11 out of 20 going to the Steelers. Seem to be pulling a lot of Antonio Brown Steelers cards tonight. I wonder if this guy will ever play in the league again. 11 out of 20. He says he's causing all this ruckus because he's bored. It's like, dude, you're bored because you screwed up. All right, another one for the Cowboys for the last hit from the primary. Got a little something on the card up there. Michael Gallup. 80 out of 99 going to the Cowboys. 2 Cowboys hits in this one. Doubled up on the boys. All right, we got a kid reporter back here. We got Light Speed. Ted Ginn Jr. going to the Saints. All-Pro Von Miller. I think that's a duplicate. Equinemius St. Brown, rookie for the Packers. Luke Falk going to the Titans. We got Minka Fitzpatrick going to the Dolphins. And a Mason Rudolph to close it out, going to the Steelers. That's the main break. Here comes the freebies. I'm going to struggle getting this box open now. So this is completely free as a thank you for buying into this break. Hope to see you in another one in the future. Hope you get something decent out of this. There's not usually anything major that comes out of this, but there could be some decent hits, especially if you have your PC team. Football Extravaganza, Gold Rush. So if you have your favorite personal team, for example, I'm an Eagles fan, you might get a nice little Eagles hit out of this that you like for yourself. Alrighty, first up we got, I can't tell what that says because of the font, but it looks like Quinnen Patton. Wow, they use the same font on the back too. Going to the 49ers, that is not numbered. I don't see a number on it. That is from 2013 Topps Inception. I don't see a number on it. I don't know if they numbered them back then. Going to the Niners. And then going to the Browns, we got Vince Mayle from 2015 Contenders. Look at that autograph. That's funky. That's a huge pen. It actually indented the card. Freebie for the Browns. Vince Mayle. Then we got Zach Dissert, Broncos from Select. 2013 Select, 81 out of 499. Martez Wilson going to the Saints. 2011 Gridiron. Panini America Gridiron Gear. Is that 2011? Yeah, 2011. Wow, that's an old one. 9 years old. One for the Saints. Sticker auto. What's up? What's going on, Ryan? How you doing, man? I'll be throwing the recap out now. I'm doing this free bonus right here. Dorial Green-Beckham going to the Titans. He had potential. He had potential. 66 out of 150. 2015 Topps Chrome. Yeah, it is Topps Chrome. Going to Tennessee. Another one for the Saints. Kenny Vaccaro, 156 out of 265. 2013 Topps. That is a smaller than usual card. That is an odd size. Look at the size of that card compared to a normal one. It's tiny. Gotta be careful putting it in here. A little tiny mini card. Funky little sized card. It's kind of cool. 156 out of 265. Another bonus hit there for the Saints. Fanfare autos. Brandon Thompson. Press pass. So they can't show an NFL team. 2012 press pass. So the rules on this are current team if they're in the league, since there's no NFL team on the jersey. If not, longest tenured NFL team. Brandon Thompson. He was with the Bengals for 4 years. So that will go to the Bengals. Yeah, I don't think any of the ones that are unsold even hit, so it's probably good that you didn't pick them up. I don't think that anything came up for those unsold teams. You're welcome to the leftovers if you want them though, Ryan. I'll just throw them in for you. There might be some numbered cards or something. If you want the numbered cards from those 4 unsold teams, I'll give them to you. Well, that sort of says Bengals. Oh, can't see my own camera. There we go. Sort of says Bengals. There's the Bengals hit. Brandon Thompson. Then we got one for the Vikings. 135 out of 225. Rodney Smith. A little mini football field. It's kind of recessed there. It's 2013 Prominence. Rookie field plates. Going to Minnesota. Sinjin Days from Hit. Another one I'll have to look up. He's probably not NFL. That is 2015 Sage. Never heard of the guy. So that will be, I'll look it up. If he never played for an NFL team, that'll be a random freebie for somebody. I don't see anything here. He did sign with he signed with the Cowboys. June 8th, 2015, Cowboys release They signed him on June 8th. No. Oh, he was drafted. Okay, he was drafted. So that goes to the Cowboys. That's a funky one. That's weird. He doesn't have a wiki page, and there isn't a lot of information online for him. I don't mind, dude. I don't want him. I mean, I would have been happy to keep the Eagles if they didn't sell, but all the other stuff. Of course, it had to hit a really nice Eagles card in this too. But I hope Daniel likes it. All right, that one goes to the Cowboys. Sinjin Days. We got one for the Ravens here. Carl Davis from 2015 Contenders. A little something for the Ravens. Ravens looking for that Lamar. It didn't come in this break. Carl Davis. We got another Sage. This one's Cyrus Gray. Authentic autograph. That is, I don't see a year on this card. They don't put a year that they make the card. I don't really care for Sage. I like Leaf. I think Leaf makes good secondary product. I think Sage's cards look like they printed them on a home printer. Cyrus Gray. He played 3 years for the Chiefs. 1 year for the Broncos, 1 for the Falcons, so that goes to the Chiefs because he is not currently playing. Cool. Yeah, no problem. I'll throw them all in for you, Ryan. I'll give you all the unsold teams. Even if they get hits in this, I'll throw those in for you. Wait, what did I say this was? The Chiefs, right? So double check that. Make sure I give these freebies out correctly. Yeah, Chiefs, right? Yeah, 2012 to 2014 Chiefs. Goes to the Chiefs. Then we got Justin Hunter going to the Titans. Rookie Prism, 2013 Prism. Justin Hunter. Man, a lot of draft ones in here. Channing Stribling. This looks like 2017 Elite Draft Picks. I gotta make another trip down to the hospital. I just have to drop off the old commons that I have. Channing Stribling. Oh, he's playing for the XFL right now, the Seattle Dragons. That's kind of cool. So he played with the Browns, Colts, 49ers, Colts, Chargers. So Colts, 2 years. Longest tenured is with the Colts. He is currently on the Seattle Dragons in the XFL, but this will go to the Colts due to longest tenure. 2 seasons with the Colts. They do not have to be sequential years. He played for the Colts and then left for a year and came back. Yeah, this one. This looks like a nice old classic one. Clive Walford. Top certified autograph issue. Oakland Raiders. That's kind of cool. I don't know what year this is. 2015, so this is a throwback. Last year that Topps made football cards for the NFL. Damn, Panini. Going to the Raiders. There's a hit for you, Ryan. Nobody got the Raiders. That's a freebie for you. And we got Ryan Groy from hit. Man, these usually don't have this many college and low-end hits. There's usually more, at least Panini or Topps cards. Quite a few of these. Ryan Groy. Never heard of the dude. He plays for the Chargers. So that will go to the Chargers. Current team. First goes to the team on the card. If there's no team, NFL team on the card like this, it goes to the current team as the second tiebreaker. I did say Chargers, right? Yes, Los Angeles Chargers. There's an official hit there for you, Ryan. Chargers. Ryan Groy. One for the Saints, CJ Spiller. This is a 15, right? 2015. 2015 Topps going to the Saints. Nice little card there. I like CJ Spiller. I don't know if he plays anymore, but I always thought he was pretty good. Charles Clay going to the Dolphins from 2014 Select. And Select looks way better now than it did back then. That was just a rip-off of Prism back in the day, it looks like. That one goes to Miami. Kristen. Travis Swanson for the Lions. Hot Rookies 2014. That's a cool looking card. I like that. It's like a Prism without a coating on it. 2014 Panini Score. It's a really cool looking card, actually. I like the action shot. Ah. Hot Rookies. Travis Swanson. Lions. Another one for the Ravens. Darren Waller. 2015 Contenders. Final hit is Cody Latimer. Inception. This is where Origins came from. I actually think Topps did a better job. Cody Latimer going to the Broncos. It'd been nice if they'd have numbered them, but Origins does the same thing. Yeah, I like Topps Inception. Where's my 100 pointers? I guess I'm gonna rock a 130 for this one. Alrighty, let me give you guys a recap. Like I said, if you did skunk in this, I'll make sure you get something in the mail. You know, you'll definitely get any base cards, any inserts. Anything that was pulled in this break will come to you. If you miss completely as far as an autograph goes, I will make sure you get at least a pack of cards. Alright, numbered cards. Not going to call them out, but I'm going to show them all. A lot of them are numbered to 50. Some of them are numbered to 20, like that Derwin James there. Derwin James Chargers hit. Alright, so these are the freebies. This is essentially going to be reverse order. Got Cody Latimer going to the Broncos. Got Darren Waller going to the Ravens. Travis Swanson going to the Lions. Charles Clay for the Dolphins. CJ Spiller going to the Saints. We got Ryan Groy going to the Chargers. We got Clive Walford for the Raiders. We got Channing Stribling. That one goes to the Colts. Justin Hunter to the Titans. We got Cyrus Gray, Chiefs. Carl Davis going to the Ravens. Got Sinjin Days going to the Cowboys. Vikings, Rodney Smith. I like that field card. Brandon Thompson, Fanfare Autos. That one goes to the Bengals. We got Kenny Vaccaro going to the Saints, 156 out of 265. Dorial Green-Beckham going to the Titans. He's played for quite a few teams. I think he was with the Giants. Martez Wilson going to the Saints. Zach Dissert going to the Broncos. Vince Mayo going to the Browns. And I think that's Guinan Patton. Again, I can't read that font, and I don't know who that is. That one goes to the 49ers from Inception. And then the official hits from the break. We got Michael Gallup going to the Cowboys, 80 out of 99. We've got Bo Scarborough going to the Cowboys, 92 out of 99. Doubling it up on the boys there. Marcus Peters, 15 out of 99, going to the Rams. Rams. Anthony Miller going to the Bears, 79 out of 99. And this is a nice one. Boom. Zach Ertz going to the Eagles, 6 out of 20. I'm a little jealous of that. Just a little. I always pull good Eagles cards, it seems, because I'm an Eagles fan, so I got to. And then we also had this. Marvin Jones Jr., 1 of 1. Going to the Lions. Pretty decent hit right there. If you're not going to get an auto, take a 1 of 1, right? There you go, Eric. All right, guys. There you have it. That's all your hits. And like I said, I got packs of cards. I got a stack over here. This is what I got in stock right now. I got some, what is this? Panini Football. 2018 Panini Football. So if you didn't get an autograph in this, I will make sure you get at minimum a pack of cards in addition to any other base cards, numbered cards, rookie cards, etc. inserts, so that no one goes empty-handed. And even if you did get a hit, I might throw in a pack as well for you. So that is all I got for you tonight. I'd like to thank everyone again for joining in. If you're watching this on eBay later, feel free to join our break group on Facebook, Eclipse Breaks. It's facebook.com/groups/Eclipse Breaks. I will be posting up more breaks in the future. I got another case of plates and patches I'm getting ready to do. That won't matter if you're watching this video in 6 months, but so check it out if you're interested. If not, thanks again for stopping by through eBay, and I appreciate it. Congrats on the hits, and I hope to see you in a future break. Have a good one, guys. Take it easy, and gals. Later.